Good morning. Ask and you shall receive. Last class I asked if you would prefer to move on to new content or if you would like to do some creative writing. And everybody in 1AC said creative writing, so that's what we decided to go through. So under the week 22 module, you'll click on the Valentine's creative writing assignment, open it in a new tab. And you have two options. Your first option is the suitcase story. So the situation is you've just arrived home from a hot romantic vacation with your Boo Skittle biscuit. When you open your suitcase, you realize that items inside are not yours. You got the wrong suitcase. You have a list here of items that are in the suitcase. A marble, a picture of a little girl and her dog, a bundle of dirty laundry, an unpaid speeding ticket, poker chips, an extra large New York City Marathon shirt. You can read the rest on your own. And what you're going to do is write an original story about the person who left the suitcase behind. So not about you, but the person who the suitcase belongs to. And you must use at least 12 of the items below in your story. For advanced, use all of the items on the list. And be creative. It doesn't have to necessarily be a romantic story. It just has to be a story of using those items. The second option is vocab creative writing. So you're going to choose one of the prompts to write a creative story or poem. You must use at least 5 of the vocab words in your story or poem accurately. And for advanced, try to use all of the words, so that's a little bit harder. There's 4 options. If you just simply want to create a completely original story, I'm fine with that, but sometimes people like more structure, sometimes people like less. And I also said that you could do a short story or poem, because sometimes writing poetry is a little bit easier for people. I'll let you read through the prompts on your own, but again, you're doing one option or the other, either the suitcase story or the vocabulary creative writing.